Welcome to SkySolution. Today we're diving into the world of computer vision, a technology that's been blowing my mind lately. Seriously, it's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking about giving computers the power to see and understand the world just like we do. Now you might be thinking, computer vision? Isn't that just for self-driving cars? And yeah, it's definitely a game changer in that field, but it goes way beyond that. We're talking applications in everything from healthcare to agriculture, from retail to robotics. This technology is no longer stuck in research labs, it's out in the real world, making a real impact. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly how computer vision works, why it's such a big deal, and explore some of the coolest and most innovative ways it's being used across different industries. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, let's talk manufacturing. Now, this is an industry that's been ripe for disruption for a while, and computer vision is stepping up to the plate in a big way. Imagine a world where factories are filled with cameras that can spot even the tiniest defects in products way faster and more accurately than any human ever could. That's the power of computer vision and quality control, but it goes even further than that. We're talking about robots that can use computer vision to guide their movements, making them more precise and efficient than ever before. This means faster production times, lower costs, and ultimately, products that are built to a higher standard. Next, let's step into the world of retail, an industry that's constantly evolving to meet the needs of today's consumers. Computer vision is playing a key role in this evolution, transforming the shopping experience as we know it. Remember those long checkout lines? Yeah, those are becoming a thing of the past, thanks to computer vision-powered cashierless stores. But beyond just speeding up the checkout process, computer vision is also providing retailers with valuable insights into customer behavior. Imagine cameras that can track which products customers are picking up, how long they're looking at them, and even their emotional responses. This data is pure gold for retailers, allowing them to optimize store layouts, personalize marketing campaigns, and ultimately, create a more engaging and enjoyable shopping experience for everyone. Alright, let's talk about transportation, specifically, the future of driving. We've all heard about self-driving cars, and computer vision is the technology that's making this futuristic vision a reality. By equipping cars with cameras and sensors that can see and interpret the world around them, computer vision enables these vehicles to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions in real time, all without any human intervention. But the impact of computer vision on transportation goes far beyond self-driving cars. We're talking about intelligent traffic management systems that can optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion, as well as infrastructure inspection systems that can identify potential hazards and prevent accidents before they happen. The possibilities are endless. Security is another area where computer vision is making a huge impact. Think about it. Cameras are everywhere these days, but they're not always that smart. With computer vision, we can turn those cameras into intelligent surveillance systems that can identify suspicious activity, track individuals, and even recognize faces in real time. This technology is already being used by law enforcement agencies around the world to prevent crime and keep our communities safe. But it's not just about catching the bad guys. Computer vision can also be used to enhance security in our homes, businesses, and public spaces, providing us with peace of mind and an added layer of protection. Now, let's move on to education, where computer vision is opening up a world of possibilities for students and educators alike. Imagine a classroom where computers can track students' progress in real time, identify areas where they're struggling, and even personalize the learning experience to meet their individual needs. That's the kind of transformative power that computer vision brings to the table. And it's not just about personalized learning. Computer vision can also be used to create more engaging and interactive learning experiences using augmented reality, virtual field trips, and other innovative tools that bring education to life. Alright, let's talk about healthcare, one of the most exciting and promising areas for computer vision. We're talking about life-saving applications here. Imagine a future where computers can analyze medical images like X-rays, kinetic scans, and MRIs with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases at their earliest stages and assisting doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. That future is already here, thanks to computer vision. This technology is also being used to develop robotic surgery systems that can perform incredibly precise procedures with minimal invasiveness, as well as assistive technologies for the visually impaired, giving them greater independence and a better quality of life. Next up, logistics. This is an industry that's all about efficiency, and computer vision is the key to unlocking a whole new level of optimization. Think about package tracking, for example. With computer vision, we can track packages at every step of their journey, from the warehouse to your doorstep, providing real-time updates and ensuring that deliveries arrive on time and in perfect condition. But it goes beyond just tracking. Computer vision can also be used to optimize delivery routes, manage warehouse inventory, and even automate the loading and unloading of cargo. This means faster delivery times, lower costs, and a more seamless experience for both businesses and consumers. As our cities grow larger and more complex, we need innovative solutions to manage traffic, reduce pollution, and improve public safety. That's where smart cities come in. And computer vision is at the heart of this urban revolution. Imagine a city where traffic lights can adjust in real time to optimize traffic flow, where surveillance cameras can detect accidents and alert emergency services immediately, and where sensors can monitor air quality and identify sources of pollution. That's the power of computer vision in action, creating a smarter, more efficient, and ultimately more livable urban environment for everyone. Now let's talk about an industry that's near and dear to all of us: agriculture. As the global population continues to grow, we need to find smarter and more sustainable ways to feed the world. Computer vision is playing a crucial role in this effort, helping farmers increase yields, reduce waste, and operate more efficiently. Imagine drones equipped with computer vision systems that can fly over fields, analyzing crop health, identifying pests and diseases, and even optimizing irrigation and fertilization. That's the kind of precision agriculture that computer vision enables, leading to healthier crops, higher profits for farmers, and a more sustainable food system for everyone. In the aftermath of a natural disaster, every second counts. Computer vision is transforming the way we respond to these events, providing first responders with the information they need to save lives and coordinate relief efforts more effectively. Imagine drones equipped with computer vision systems that can survey disaster zones from above, identifying survivors, assessing damage, and even creating three-dimensional maps to guide rescue workers on the ground. That's the power of computer vision in action, turning chaos into order and giving us a fighting chance against the forces of nature. Robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and computer vision is playing a key role in this evolution. By giving robots the power to see and understand the world around them, we're enabling them to perform a wider range of tasks, from navigating complex environments to manipulating objects with incredible precision. This opens up a world of possibilities in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and even our own homes. Imagine robots that can assist with household chores, provide companionship, or even perform surgery. The future of robotics is bright, and computer vision is leading the way. Last but not least, let's talk about sports. Computer vision is changing the game, literally, by providing coaches, athletes, and fans with a deeper understanding of the game than ever before. Imagine cameras that can track players' movements on the field, analyze their performance in real time, and even predict the outcome of plays before they happen. This data is invaluable for coaches who can use it to make strategic decisions, optimize training regimens, and gain a competitive edge. And for fans, it means a more immersive and engaging viewing experience. So, as you can see, computer vision is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a reality that's transforming the world around us in incredible ways. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, from smart cities to precision agriculture, this technology is touching every aspect of our lives, making it safer, more efficient, and more exciting. And the best part is, we're still in the early days of computer vision. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, who knows what incredible applications we'll see in the years to come. One thing's for sure, the future is bright, and it's powered by computer vision. What are some of the ways you think computer vision will change the world in the future? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SkySolution for more insights into the world of technology. Thanks for watching.